What's up, dudes? Today I'm going to show you one of the most underutilized features in Ableton, or at least in my opinion, and that would be Ableton Live Clip Files, I think it is. I have a folder called Ableton Clips, and what this is for specific things. So if I drag this folder in, as you can see, it's loaded everything, my effects chain and everything. And the way that you save these, what you would do is, I don't know, you get, let's get Serum for example. Alright, so we have Serum. Drag this in here, and it's going to give me an option to name it. So let me give you another example. So we're going to go to my user library. What do you know? You got an Eurobase. It took, I don't know, maybe 2 seconds. But yeah, this feature is really powerful, and I know that a lot of DAWs can do similar things, but I just feel like this specific feature is not talked about enough. That being said, if you liked the video, go ahead, like, share, subscribe. I don't know, do what else you do on YouTube, and thanks for watching. If you want to see more, follow me on Twitch at twitch.tv/plant_923. I do music stuff. Anyway, see you guys.